Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just received this package from Kat. She organized a group mermaid swap, so this is what I received, and she was actually my partner as well, so she should be getting her box today too. So here is what she sent. This box is humongous, so I am so excited to see what's inside. And how cute is this wrapping paper? I have not seen this wrapping paper before, so this is really cute. The mermaids are so pretty and I can't wait to open it. So I will have her links down below, as well as her unboxing video when she posts it. So make sure you check back for the description box if it's not there already. Okay, so let's open it up. So cute! Oh my goodness, we use the same mermaid. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Okay, so it's upside down, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys, but it says hello Solange, and I actually use this mermaid on her package as well, so that's so cool. I hope you guys can see that. And then on this side, oh, this is so funny. We literally like decorated it similar. I also use this mermaid. How cute. These are decals from Dollar Tree, if you guys were wondering. And then it says Mermaid Swap 2018, and she put some shells. How cool is that? And look at how cute that mermaid is. And then just another one over here. And look how cute. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry that I'm shaking the camera, but this box is literally really big and it's taking up my whole desk. So anyways, here she put a napkin and says, let's celebrate. And it's actually gold foil on the side. This is really pretty. That's a nice way to decorate it. I'd never thought of that before. Okay, so then she has really pretty paper. Oh yay! So I had she was selling these, so I ordered a pack and she said she would include it in this. I actually totally forgot about that, so I'm excited for these. It's just the open book and then the confetti. I love this one. Okay, so let me put that to the side. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty everything looks. Okay, I think she put a lot more stuff than what was supposed to be in the swap. I see a lot of boxes here. So, let's see. Look how cute. This may be my crown, because it's shaped like a crown. And I love that sticker. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Doesn't that just look so fun? Okay, there's a lot more stuff in here than we had agreed on. Then there's this cute one with another mermaid wrapping paper. Let me take out a little shred here. Then there is, what's this? Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I just messed it up. Hold on. It's like a little, what do you call this? A wand, I guess? How cool is that? Look at all this different trim. That is really cute. Thank you so much, Kat. And then we have this one here. Really cute. Oh, how adorable. She sent me a little pen with a unicorn. And then we have, oh, this is adorable. She put some pom-poms. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love the colors too. Did you make these? This is awesome. And it matches the colors of the wrapping paper perfectly. Okay, then we have this pretty one. And she sent me a hoop. Oh my goodness. Now I feel like I didn't send her enough. I literally just sent her what was in the swap like rules, and then I sent her just like a few extra things. But look at how cute. We'll go through that soon, but oh my gosh, how pretty is this? Look at that. There's this cute one. And then there's this one. How cute. She just put the tail there. That looks so cute. Oh, cool. She sent me an ice cream. I sent her one too, I think. I don't even remember. But look at how cute this one is. And it's heavy. I think it might be a bath bomb in here or something, because it's really heavy. So that's so cute. Then there's this one. And then we have, oh, look how neat this box is. And look at this clip with some pearls. That is awesome. Okay, there's more pom-poms. And then this little cute little, one of those scent things. And this one's like a mini one. That's super cute. And look how adorable it is. And then we have, she put like a lot of this thing in here. Then there is this one. Oh, how cute are they? I think she cut those from the wrapping paper. What's this? Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh wow. This is really pretty. Let me take out the confetti. So it's like a little wall hanging thing, and it's a big shell. How adorable is this? Look at all the detailing at the bottom. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. This is stunning. That is so creative. And I think that's it. Wow, look at all this shred. Oh my gosh, this is, I can make like pom-poms with these. Like cheerleading pom-poms. I think that's it. Yeah, this is just paper. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's how it looks all together. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh my goodness. She sent way too much stuff. So let's start opening it. Just gonna move this over here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this little one here. Oh, cute. She sent me some mermaid washi from Michael's, I think. Look at how pretty it is. Really cute. Thank you, Kat. Okay, then let's do this one here. That was not part of the swap, by the way. We were only supposed to do a shadow box, a crown, a mermaid crown, a mermaid cup, ephemera, and confetti. So that was just a little extra. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, it's like a little cute like coin purse, I guess. This is so pretty. It's by Kat and Jack. Thank you so much. I love these colors, especially this one. Oh my god, that is so fun. Thank you so much. That's super cute. Okay, now let's do this one here. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. It's a tape dispenser and it has like shells and glitter inside. This is so fun. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Thank you. That's beautiful. That is so fun to play with. Thank you so much. I'm just like a little kid right now. It's like Christmas. Okay, then let's do this one here. Look how pretty this like little bag is. Oh, there's lots of confetti stuck there. Alright, let's open it. So I think there's a few things here. Oh, cute. She sent me some little blue adhesive gems. Oh, and some pearl ones. I've been loving pearls at the moment, so that's fun. Oh, cute. This is her confetti mix that she's made. Oh, I love that shell right there. Love the colors. Really, really cute. And it has lots of stuff in there. This is really fun. Thank you so much. Super cute. So that's what was in this cute bag. Now let's do this one here. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this sticker is. It's a mermaid and you can move it around. This is adorable. I've actually never seen this like at any store before. This is really pretty. Thank you so much. And look how well this goes together. Oh, she sent me some sequins. Beautiful. Thank you. And oh, look at how cute. These are like little charms and they're all like sea themed. These are beautiful. Thank you so much. Now I feel really bad. I didn't know we were supposed to put like so many extras. I feel so bad. My box was so full I couldn't even fit anything in there. It was like busting out, so I hope she likes it anyways. No, I feel kind of bad. So I think this is my cup. Yes, it is. Oh, how cute. Shake me. This is pretty. It has a light. Look how cute. This is so cool. Thank you so much. That's really cool and it's really, really cute. So thank you. That's really pretty. And then we have, am I missing something? We have this one here. I think this is the crown because it's shaped like a croissant, so I'm guessing it's the crown. Oh, looks cute already. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my lord. Stop it right now. This is absolutely amazing. Wow, you did way better than I did at this mermaid crown thing. One of this fell, but I could just glue that back on. But how stunning is this? Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put it on. It fits perfectly. And it looks so freaking cute. Guys, I'm gonna show you up close. Look at the beauty of this mermaid crown. And then this hangs over your forehead, so it's really beautiful. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Wow, I'm gonna keep this forever. That is stunning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with that. Mine did not come out that good. Okay, well, let's look through the cute hoop that she sent. So there's a little cute unicorn clip. Oh, there's like a little bag with goodies. Oh, some cute stickers. Oh, cute. I think these are some cut aparts. And I see a unicorn in there, so that's really fun. Oh, this is so cute. It like a little trim sampler thing. I love all of these, and I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors. And I think that's it, but look how beautiful it is. I love this clip here. You guys know I love these clips. And I just love this trim on the side. Thank you so much, Abby. That is so beautiful. Just put everything back. Really, really cute. And her next swap is going to be unicorn themed, so that's fun. And, oops, oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Let's look into this box. I love that. Oh, let me move this. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute. So beautiful. This is my ephemera pack that we were supposed to do. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to open this. Look at how cute. She sent me some of these little cute straws. And she also sent me some of those napkins. That is so cool. I always see these at Target, but I don't buy them because I don't want to spend the money, but thank you. And then there's this really cute bag. I love this color. Look how cute it looks with the confetti. And I think that's it for here. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to look into this ephemera. Let me move this to the side. I don't want to wreck it, but I really want to look through it. So let's open it up. Okay, so she made me some name tags, which I love. Thank you. It just says handmade with love by Handmade by So-So. Thank you. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh, look at this one. She might have designed this one because she designed some of them. Like she does like drawings in her iPad, I think. How cute. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at this little cute guy. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to use those because you gave me 2 of each, so I'm gonna use one and hoard one. And then the last thing is this box here. I think this is my shadow box. So let's see. Gotta be careful with this one. Oh my god, it's beautiful. This is so pretty. The Land of Make-Believe. Oh, this is stunning. Okay, I think she fell from over here. But how cool is this? She put them up on like little sticks. That is really cool. And look at this detailing here. Oh, this is just gorgeous. And I love this trim. You guys, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, Abby. That is stunning. So yeah guys, that's everything she sent in our mermaid swap. Kat, thank you so much for everything. Everything is beautiful. Thank you for all the extras. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.